In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust your settings in QuickBooks to enable account numbers. This is an essential part of organizing your financial data, especially if you're managing a growing business with multiple accounts. Having account numbers enabled can significantly streamline your bookkeeping process, making it easier to track and report on financial activities. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. You can access this by opening your web browser and visiting the QuickBooks online portal. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the home page, which serves as your central hub for managing all your business finances. Next, take your cursor and direct it to the gear icon, which represents settings. You'll typically find this icon in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks interface. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu displaying a variety of options that allow you to customize and control your QuickBooks experience. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Account and Settings. This section is crucial as it contains all the key settings that dictate how your QuickBooks account is set up and operated. By selecting this option, you open up the gateway to a range of customization options tailored to your business needs. Upon opening the Account and Settings menu, navigate to the Advanced tab. Clicking on this tab brings you to another layer of settings specifically designed to provide you with more fine-tuned control over your QuickBooks setup. This is where we focus our attention for enabling account numbers. In the Advanced section, look for the option labeled Enable Account Numbers. It's a simple toggle that, when turned on, will allow QuickBooks to display account numbers next to your account names in charts and other financial documents. Enabling this feature ensures you have an organized structure that aids in efficiently managing and analyzing your accounts. Once you have found this option, click on it to enable account numbers. You'll notice that this small change can make a significant difference in improving the clarity and organization of your financial data. Remember, once enabled, you can always come back and make adjustments as your business evolves. By following these steps, you're not only optimizing your QuickBooks setup, but also setting a strong foundation for future financial tracking and analysis. While this process is straightforward, it's a powerful step in enhancing the overall functionality and usability of QuickBooks for your business needs. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enabling account numbers in QuickBooks. Thank you for choosing this tutorial to improve your QuickBooks account management. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.